Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. Just looking here at short-term price action at the moment. Prices come down today. Obviously a bit of selling pressure in the crypto market. Bear in mind the trend is down on this coin, on this chart. Yeah, we expect lower prices in a third wave breakdown next. However, as explained in previous videos, it is very much possible that before we break down, that price will go up in the very short term to grab some of the liquidity above this wave W high, and then will come down in a third breakdown. Now, because this is only a corrective rally, it is going against the higher level trend, and the idea is that as long as price stays below 54.04 cents, that lower is definitely expected and lower prices will occur in this third wave breakdown. A break above 54 cents or 54.04 will make a different or a more bullish scenario more likely, and will force the consideration of more bullish scenarios on this chart. As explained in previous videos, we also explained how these are going to look like. But again, that is a lot of what if, what happens if, what happens if price goes above 54 cents. Well, then we have to explain again the more bullish scenario, but we can do that again if we see that gets more likely. And we talked about then possible targets around 75 cents. Yeah, so until then, however, lower is preferred, either with short-term upside, which is still possible despite today's drop, so a C wave to the upside within that Y wave and then down, or, and that is absolutely within the scope of what's likely and what also could happen easily, that if price breaks the trend line, we've got an ascending trend line here on the chart that we made you aware of earlier, which price might test again, but it's quite a relevant trend line that started on the 2nd of January, and we have 4 touch points already, so a break of that trend line would likely send price lower. And if price breaks below the X wave low at 44.945 cents, then I think we have to expect direct sell-off in a third wave. And essentially in this structure, and that's the condition, is that price stays below 54 cents. Yeah, but based on the structure, I would expect price to go below the June 2022 low. No, yeah, 1 second, let me zoom out. The June 2022 low at around 29 cents. That's what this structure currently suggests. Things can always change, but I explained to you that the XRP chart itself moves a lot in these corrective structures, so you don't really have a very strong edge, because there isn't really a very clear impulse at the moment anywhere on the chart here, and therefore we just need to be on our toes, and we need to expect the wave count to change as well. But for now, it's working out quite nicely. Had a few nice resistance trend reversal areas. But yeah, we need to be watching the 44.9 cent level, I guess, for a possible breakdown. And let me shift the dotted line for that. And to the upside, yes, it could happen. Yeah, still in the short term in this wave 2. But if we break down directly, then the wave 2 already ended here. That was the original interpretation. But because prices failed to come down impulsively, we said, okay, we are very much on the lookout for possibly a higher wave 2, as long as the 30th of June low stays intact. But it is a trade, or it is an assumption, very short term against the higher level trend. So it is a corrective move. Yeah, okay, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.